What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my garage. As you can see here, this is a Jeep Gladiator, my Jeep Gladiator. I picked this cover up a couple of months ago and I've been using it this winter, and it's been working out really nice. Anytime it snows, I throw this cover on and the snow just literally slides off the sides. The top, I usually have to just wipe it down. The wipers stay nice and clean. As you can see here, it gets completely covered. Nothing on the windshield, no ice to pick off the windshield, no ice all the way around. Covers it all the way around. Obviously nothing on the bed, but that's easy to clean, and nothing on the hood, but works out really nice. And not only the winter time, you can use this in the summertime as well. If you have your doors off, your roof off, and you want to throw this over, you know, if it's going to rain or something, you can just leave this on. It's 100% waterproof. So it's working out nice. It's going to snow tonight. We're supposed to get a couple inches of snow, so I figured I would throw this on. Haven't done a video in a while. Figured I'll share this with you guys. If you guys are interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Catch you next time.